Our baseball today is our second round goes to Miss Number 1 candidate, number 10. Our first runner-up is none other than candidate number 5, our baseball today, 2024 is all other than candidate number 1.
We're back! Topic! Topic! For now!
Mas gusto ko to!
Bibigay po kami ng mga solusyon or lunas para sa mga problema ng mag-asawa.
Mag-asawa kami ngayon! Ayaw ka na!
Number 6, from Cavite, for the first spot, we would like to call on candidate number 4, April Alvarado. For the fourth spot, candidate number 5, July. Candidate
So my question for you is, since your advocacy is about sports, if you were given the chance to be rich because of your sport, just like Manny Pacquiao, what will you do with your money?
Thank you for that question. If I were given to be a chance, if I were to have a chance to be rich because of my sport, I will do a lot of things with my money. But first of all, I would want to help the poor to have a better life, because I believe that in this country, Philippines, poverty is one of the main problems that we are facing right now. And I would love for the children, I would love to support them.
English or Tagalog?
Anything.
You are to be given a superpower for one day. What would it be and how would it be used?
If I would give it a chance to have a superpower, I would choose Flash. So I can help a lot of youth who are struggling, who are oppressed, who are living in fear. And that's all. Thank you.
Candidate number 4. So here, focusing is sustainability. Yes, sustainability. My question
My advocacy is sustainability, and how I came to learn about this is through my work in the academy that I'm working at right now. And in my work, we are able to craft programs regarding sustainability, and one of them being turning plastics into fuel, and that was in Naga City. So imagine if a province like Naga City is able to make plastic into a fuel. What more for a progressive community as Marikina Heights? Thank you.
Hi, candidate number 10.
Hello po.
How are you?
Okay naman po, laban lang.
Okay, what a confidence. Happy to see you again on stage. Okay, so here's my question. First, your advocacy is women empowerment. If ever you win the title tonight as 2024 Miss Marikina Heights, how will you influence the youth with your advocacy? Again, candidate number 10, if ever na manalo ka tonight as Miss Marikina Heights, paano mo ma-influence ang mga kabataan sa iyong advocacy?
Thank you for that question po. Kung manalo man po ako dito, ipapaalam ko po sa aking mga kagaya ko kabataan kung ano ang kahalagahan sa women empowerment. At ipapakita ko sa kanila na kung kaya kong sumali ulit, kung kaya kong ilaban ulit lahat ng aking mga kinakahiya noon at kaya din nila. Ipapakita ko sa kanila, ituturo ko sa kanila kung paano maging isa independent women, magkaroon ng women empowerment at maging matibay na
Number 6. Pagdating pa, kung bibigyan ka na pagkakataon mag-empowerment. Again, kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon mag-time travel, ano ang pipiliin mo? Past or future? And why?
I believe na mas pipiliin ko po na bumalik sa nakaraan. Dahil marami man akong pagkakamali na gusto kong maitama. At sa paparoonan ko, dahil sa nakaraan na yun, ay alam ko na maitatama ko sa panahon na yun. Kagaya na lamang ang mga panahon na nakakasama ko ang mahal ko sa buhay. Especially yung mga tao na patuloy sumusuporta sa akin. And thank you.
Okay. Move backward, please.
Hi! Welcome back to my channel.
Ang dilat, puso ko yung nabihag. Wala nang hinanais, di kaya kang labis. Oh, maganda.
Attaching chainsaw on her final walk.
Ladies and gentlemen, as I stand before you today, my heart is filled with immense gratitude and pride. The journey to this moment has been one of growth, transformation, and empowerment. Being proud as Miss Marikina Heights 2022 was an honor and responsibility. Beyond the glamour of the crown, becoming a queen has been an amazing experience. It has provided me the platform to speak up for, support worthy causes, and actually improve the community we live in. I've learned virtues of compassion, perseverance, and leadership in this role, all of which have aided in my journey to become an SK chairperson. I felt privileged and humbled to have been given a chance to work with and represent Miss Marikina Heights organization. My experiences and the skills I've learned from being the Miss Marikina Heights 2022 have equipped me to approach my new role with more self-assurance and commitment. First and foremost, to my parents, words cannot express of my gratitude. Your endless love, sacrifices, and faith in me have shaped who I am today. Everything I have achieved and will achieve is because of you. Thank you. To my dear friends and their unwavering support and constant cheer have meant the world to me. You have been my pillars of strength, and I am blessed to have each one of you in my life. To the Miss Marikina Heights organization, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks. You have not only given me the chance to shine, but also become a family. Your guidance, encouragement, and belief in my potential have been invaluable, and I am forever grateful. Today, as I pass on this crown to the next deserving team, I do so with immense pride and hope for the future. This is not the end, but a beautiful continuation of the journey we began together. I am excited to see the next Marikina Heights 2024 shine and continue the legacy of making a positive impact. Let us all continue to support and uplift one another as we strive for a brighter future. Thank you all for believing in me and allowing me to serve you. Let us continue to serve together to build a brighter, stronger future for our community. With deepest gratitude and respect, your forever Miss Marikina Heights 2022.